Hey guys, it's Kreezy. So remember when I asked you guys to send me some ideas in the mail and I tried to do them for you? One of you guys took me up on it, and I'm going to open the letter right here, and we'll read what it says. Oh, there's a check in there. Hell yeah. Dear Kreezy, I've been working so hard to try to make a Wi-Fi serial monitor. If you can make one, I will give you $1,000. Enclosed is a down payment, a check for $500. Oh, I can't wait to see the Wi-Fi serial monitor put together. I have very big plans for it, and I have a lot riding on this. So please, can you do this for me, Kreezy? Yes, we can. Let's get started. Wi-Fi serial monitor. This money's as good as mine. Wait until he sees this thing. Wi-Fi serial monitor. Where's my other $500? Alright guys, we got the Rasp Pi, Raspberry Pi 3. We got a Pro Micro inside of a 3D printed body, slide up case. I'll have the link in the description. You know me, I love my Pro Micros. I mean, I got a bunch of them. This is like a Pro Micro Mario Party here. Hey, it's me, Arduino. So, what I wanted to do is, I'm fortunate enough to have a screen on here, but sometimes I don't have it on there. And I want to be able to plug it in and start the VNC server and have the option of plugging into the HDMI and having my desktop actually be up there ready to go also. So to accomplish that, I'm using the Pro Micro as a human interface device, and the way I have it set up is that it's going to start the server for us and it's going to start the desktop for us. All we have to do is set it so that it boots in client mode in the console, not the desktop. So I'm going to show you what happens when you plug it in without the Pro Micro attached. So we'll do that right now. Alright, as you can see, the Pi is booting. Now this is just for demonstration purposes, but in your case, if you're trying to do this, you won't have a screen on there, so you won't see what's going on. But basically, without the Pro Micro plugged in, it's just going to do this. It's going to sit at that command prompt right there and never move unless you plug in a mouse and, a keyboard, and type in Start X or whatever you gotta do, whatever you want to do with it. So basically, it's a brick until you plug a keyboard in. So we're going to change that with the Pro Micro. So this time I'm going to reboot it, but I'm going to have the Pro Micro attached. So we're going to try that now. Alright, it's now rebooting and we have the Pro Micro plugged in this time. So this time around, let's see what it's going to do. It's booting up to the console. But guess what? The Pro Micro is going to type in VNC server for us. And now it's also going to type Start X for us. So now the desktop is going to pop up as well. So if you didn't have a monitor, if you didn't have a keyboard or a mouse, you plug in this programmed Pro Micro and it's going to start the server for you, and you just go on your tablet or PC or whatever you use and you're in. Just that easy. No screen required, no keyboard required, nothing required. Just plug in that Pro Micro and you're going to have the desktop pop up and the VNC server started. Now, for the people that need to see what IP addresses popped up, don't worry about that. Get an app like IP Scanner or something like that from the App Store, and when you scan your Wi-Fi that you're connected to, it's going to show up as Raspberry Pi Foundation. So you'll know the IP. Just type that in, and usually port 0 or 1. But it's just that simple, guys. I hope you like this, and I hope this gave you some wacky ideas to do yourself. On top of that, I hope this made it a lot easier for you to access your Pi remotely without having to plug it into a TV or monitor or use a mouse or keyboard. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment, message me, send me mail. I don't care what you guys do. You want to send me a fat check? That's cool. Joking. But again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be working on the next project. Take it easy.